Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DGByte coin. As in my last video, I was telling you that DGByte can bounce from the support of the triangle and it can make another attempt to break out the resistance. Right now, DGByte has reached the resistance of the triangle. And by the way, here we have the resistance and it is likely to be rejected by this resistance of the triangle. And in today's video, we will take a look whether the price line is going to break out this resistance or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I share. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this very big time frame on the monthly time frame chart. And you can see that here DigiByte has formed a very big falling wedge pattern. We have several touch points at the resistance and several touch points at the support as well. And let me show you this move on the weekly time frame. Then we can see that it is moving very well between the resistance and support of this falling wedge pattern. Right now it is again reached the support of this very big falling wedge. Now if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator here, then we can see that stochastic is also showing that DigiByte is oversold. And RSI, if you watch more closely, then you can see RSI is not able to form lower than previous low, and it is forming higher low than previous low. Even the stochastic is also doing the same. And if we watch the price line above these oscillators, then we can see that price line is forming lower than previous low. And now let's take a look at this low. You can see here stochastic formed this low, and the next low is higher than previous low, and the RSI is also doing the same. So there is still very big bullish divergence on this chart, and soon price line can start this reversal from this support like it had been doing previously as well. And for example, if it will reach the resistance, this time the resistance will be approximately at 2.4 cents. That will be more than 100% move from this support to this resistance of the falling wedge. And if DigiByte will break out the resistance, then our final target can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 16 to 17 cents. Therefore, in my point of view, if Bitcoin will break out this triangle, you can see right now Bitcoin is again likely to be rejected by this resistance of the triangle. But when it will be able to break out this resistance of the triangle, then DigiByte can start a very fast move from this support to this resistance of the wedge, because at the same time on the daily time frame we have seen that it has broken down the support. We had a very big drop here up to that was here up to $0.0078, very close to half cent, and now it is recovered back. And if we switch to the 4-hour time frame, then we have multiple closing above this previous support of the channel that is now working as a resistance. And right now you can see that the price line is again moving down and testing this resistance as a support. But once we will have the closing below this support of the channel, then DigiByte can move more down here to test the support of this triangle, this descending triangle. And after testing this descending triangle, it can have another reversal move from there. And we can see why I'm expecting, by the way, that the price line can be reversed back from that support, because we have a very strong support here on this weekly time frame chart. Therefore, I'm expecting that if the price line moves more down here on the small time frame, then it can start another reversal to make another attempt to break out the resistance of the triangle. And you can see that the triangle is getting squeezed. So as much it will be squeezed, as much there will be chances that DigiByte can break out or break down the support or resistance very soon. Now, for example, if it will break out this triangle, then our imminent target after the breakout will be, for example, if we will have the breakout from here or here, then our next target will be at 1.64 cents. And let me copy this trend line from here and paste it here on this chart. Then you can see it is showing us the projection beyond the resistance of this channel. So it means that after breaking out the triangle, it can also break out this bigger channel as well. And the target for this down channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 4.1 cents. And in that situation, the price line can also definitely break out this bigger falling wedge pattern as well. So this triangle can be a very decisive pattern for DigiByte, and we need to keep an eye on this move between the resistance and support of this triangle. Once DigiByte will be able to break it out, then it can be a very big breakthrough for DigiByte coin. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.